hold it there for 60 seconds. And then we'll test them. So you can see they have a little opening ceremony that they go through, and that's your running light. So your right indicator and your left indicator. And that's them. Hello guys, welcome along. And today now we're going to do an install video because it's kind of a bit wet outside. The harsh weather is back. We're going to be installing these LED indicators into this 2015 Goldwing. So without further ado, we'll start with the unboxing. What we're installing now are the LED indicators from Pathfinder. We're installing them onto a 2015 model, but they will fit all the Goldwings from 01 to 2017. Now the ones we're installing are smoked because the bike is a black and red model, so the smoke will look a lot better. They also come in clear lens. So what you have is your two indicators, and they also come with an LED flasher, which you would be required to change. Right now, these are, I'll use the term lightly, sort of plug and play. Now they are designed for the American bikes, so the connector, if you have a European bike, the connector on the lights won't fit the connector on your bike. Now what I've done here is I've cut off the indicator connectors on the existing bike, and I've wired them up onto this. So these now will plug into my existing connectors. So I've taken the old connectors off the indicators and soldered them onto this. So beyond that, they're all plug and play. So let's go now and we'll install them on the bike. Hello guys, welcome along. And today now we're going to be installing these new products that we've only just got in last week. They are the LED smoked lights, the GL 1800. They will fit, these ones first of all are the trunk lights. They will fit the 2001 to the 2017 model. These are also LED lights. And these ones then would be the rear lights, but these will only fit the 2012 to 2017. And I think they will look quite good when they're installed. A lot will go on the colour of the bike, obviously. They will suit some, not others. But they do have a nice LED light going through them, which you will see in a couple of moments as we install them. So let's go and start doing the install. When you're installing this, just don't forget to plug in your connector under here. Others will be wondering afterwards why the panel's not working properly. The running lights. Then you have the right hand indicators and left hand indicators. Hello guys, welcome along. Today now we're going to be installing these rotor covers onto a 2024 wing. So join us along and we'll do the installation, and don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and do the installation. All right, so we start the installation, but before we do, I'll just go through what we have. What the box comes with is your two lights, your rotor covers. These are black with an amber light. They also come with the brackets and all your mounting screws. Now these also come in two other variances. You also have them in black with a red light. Now I wouldn't think they'd be much of a useful. People might complain about the red light in the front. Then we also have them in chrome. These are chromed in with an amber light as well. So they will put a bit of shine onto the front of your bike. So let's start the installation process. So nice and securely. Now, just tighten the top one as well. So they work as running lights, and they're also an indicator function. So that's all them, all done, finished. So just finish up putting your seat back onto the bike and off you go and enjoy the ride. Hello guys, welcome along again to our channel. Today now we're going to be installing this rear number plate light onto the 2024 wing. This is a chrome one with red lights. So without further ado, let's do the installation. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. Okay guys, first of all we're going to have a look at the cornering light grill for the GL1500. Now with a lot of these products are getting hard to come by with add-on accessories after closing down. But thankfully we're after finding a new supplier that can actually supply us with these parts. So hopefully we'll have them for a good while to come. So these are quite simple and straightforward. And they just screw onto the cornering lights. So that's them, and they are available on our site. And with all these products we will put links down below to each of these. Now that's the cornering light grill for the 1500. The chrome front fender covers, again this was an add-on accessory part, has been available for a while, but we're after getting them in. And again the installation is very simple, as you probably know. Just stick them on, and you also get a pack of 2 new grommets to go with it, hopefully, so they won't fall off again. And again they're all for the 1500. Now next we have the chrome side covers. They were out of stock for a good bit of time, but again thankfully we're able to get them. They're well wrapped up anyway, I'll tell you that much. So that's the chrome side cover. Now they don't come with grommets, so if you don't have a set, don't forget to order some, because be advisable to change the grommets afterwards. Then we have the carburetor covers. And with all these parts, they're all just, they held in with grommets, that's all. They're very simple to install them. Only takes a couple of minutes. So that's the carburetor covers. Ring of fire for the GL1500. These are the tri-coloured ones. A little pack of screws. And again, they have been available for a while, but again, as I said, everything here is available on our site at www.shinywing.com. And as I said, we'll have a link for all these products down in the description. Hello everyone, welcome along. Today now we're going to be installing the switch block onto the brake side of the Goldwing. We have a customer's Goldwing in here today for some upgrades, if you want to call them that. He wants some chrome accessories added onto the bike. The first thing we're going to install anyway will be the switch block. So without further ado, let's go and check out the bike. Now we'll start by doing the unboxing, and then we'll go along to the bike and install. It's relatively easy to install. You just have 2 wires to connect into the fuse box, and you have your 3 wires that come out with the accessory. This is it, the chrome switch bank. It also comes in black. So that's what the box contains. So follow me over to the bike now and we'll start the installation. Welcome along again. Today now we're going to be installing some chrome onto the dash of the customer's 1800. What we're going to be installing will be the bear claw mirrors, accents, speaker accents, we've got the clock accents, radio and a fuel door accent. So without further ado, we'll go off to the bike and stick them on. Right, welcome back. We're back to our customer's bike again. Now we're installing these rear trunk lights onto the back of the bike. These are LED lights. They have red lenses on them and they also come with white lenses. So follow me off to the bike and we'll plug them in. Right, now what we have now is our lighting. That will be this side. should go up here. Now before we stick them on, we'll just give it a cleaning, just get it caught. And make sure it's dry afterwards. Don't leave any of the solvent at wherever you use to clean it on it, because you don't want the lace falling off afterwards. That's the side. Now you have those 4 screws there. This goes in between them, just like that. Hello, I'm back to you again with our customer's bike. We're going to be putting on the light grills onto the saddlebag and the trunk. These are just peel and stick, so come along to the back of the bike and we'll stick them on.